Understanding water leak hazards.
Water leaks can cause serious damage. Unnoticed drips or pipe bursts may lead to expensive repairs, mold growth, and ruined belongings. Traditional leak detection often happens too late, after water has already spread. Early detection is key to protecting your home or business from these hidden hazards and the disruptions they cause.
What are smart leak sensors?
Smart leak sensors are small electronic devices designed to detect water where it shouldn't be. Placed near appliances, pipes, or in basements, these sensors use moisture detection to catch leaks early. Once water is detected, they send real-time alerts to your smartphone or chosen device, so you can act quickly and prevent damage.
How real-time alerts help prevent damage.
Immediate notifications can make all the difference. When a smart sensor detects moisture, it alerts you instantly, wherever you are. This early warning allows you to shut off water, call a plumber, or fix the problem before it turns into a costly disaster. Quick action reduces the risk of structural damage and mold.
Installation and maintenance made easy.
Installing smart leak sensors is straightforward. Most are battery-powered and simply placed on the floor, near pipes, or behind appliances. Many models connect to your home Wi-Fi, and some even integrate with smart home systems. Regularly checking batteries and testing sensors helps ensure they're always ready to protect your property.
Extra benefits and features.
Modern smart sensors offer extra peace of mind. Some include temperature monitoring to warn of freezing pipes, while others can trigger automatic water shutoff valves. Check for models with multi-room support or long-lasting batteries. The flexibility and features available today make smart sensors a practical upgrade for almost any space.